नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया। भगवते उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी। Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, 9th Canto, Chapter 10, the pastimes of Lord Ramachandra. Today, text 24 to 26. Okay, 24, 25, there is no purport, so I am just reading myself. Then together we will chant 26. Uh, 24. ततो निष्कर्म्य लंकाया यातु धन्यः सहस्रशः मंदोदर्याः समं तत्र परारुदन्त्यः उपाद्रवन्. Thereafter all the women whose husbands had fallen in the battle headed by Mandodari, the wife of Ravana, came out of Lanka. Continuously crying, they approached the dead bodies of Ravana and the other Rakshasas. 25. Swam swam bandhun parishajya lakmane subhir arditan ruruduhu suswaram dina dhantyah atmanam atmana. Striking their breasts in affliction because their husbands had been killed by the arrows of Lakshmana, the women embraced their respective husbands and cried piteously in voice appealing to everyone. Text 26. Ha hataha स्म वयं नाथ लोकरावण रावण कम यायात शरणं लंका त्वद्विहीना परार्दिता. हा हतः स्म वयं नाथ लोक रावण रावण कम याय शरणं लंका त्वद्विहीना परार्दिता. Word meaning. Ha, alas. Hataha, killed. Sma, in the past. Vayam, all of us. Natha, co-protector. Lokaravana, O husband, who created the crying of so many other people. Ravana, O Ravana, one who can cause crying of others. Come unto whom? Yayat will go. Saranam, shelter. Lanka, the state of Lanka. Tvat-vihina, being bereft of your good self. Para-ardita, being defeated by the enemies. Translation and purport by Divine Grace, Abhay Charana Aravinda Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Translation: O my Lord, O Master, you optimized trouble for others, and therefore you were called Ravana. But now that you have been defeated, we also are defeated. For without you, the state of Lanka has been conquered by the enemy. To whom will it go for shelter? Purport: Ravana's wife Mandadori and the other wives knew very well how cruel a person Ravana was. The very word Ravana means one who causes crying for others. Ravana continuously caused trouble for others, but when his sinful activities culminated in giving trouble to Sita Devi, he was killed by Lord Ramachandra. Hare Krishna. Om Ajnanatimidandhasya Jnananjana Shailakaya Chakshurunmilitam Jena Tasmai Shri Gurubhe Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamayam Dadati Sopadantikam Bande Aham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanitam Tang Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Shri Visakhanitamscha Namo Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Paschatya Desatarine Nama Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namine Gauratisai Namaha. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vancha Kalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhubhyeva cha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Ha hatasma vayam natha loka ravana ravana kam yayak sharanam lanka tvad-vihina pararditaha. O my Lord, O Master, you optimized trouble for others, and therefore you are called Ravana. But now that you have been defeated, we also are defeated. For without you, the state of Lanka has been conquered by the enemy. To whom will it go for shelter? So actually Ravana is also eternal servant of Lord Vishnu. Oi Nanda Tanuja Kinkar. Actually we are all of us, we are also eternal servant of Krishna. Jivera Swarupa Hai Krishnera Nitya Das. We are eternal servant of Krishna. But somehow other Vainanda Tanuja Kinkaram Patitan Vang Visame Bhavam Buddha. By somehow other we have been fallen in this material world. You know also the Ravana story, how Ravana, he was actually Jai and his brother Kumbhakarna was Vijay, the Jai Vijay. They were eternal servant of Lord Vishnu. They are gatekeepers in Vaikuntha world. Somehow or other they caused by 4 Kumaras. They become Vaishnava Aparadhis because they stop them to enter the Vaikuntha world. So they become angry. They are looks very like small boys, fully naked. They are just walking here, there, everywhere. No one stopped them. But somehow that this Jai Vijay, they stopped them. So they cursed them, and Lord Vishnu came to this spot. And finally, because they are cursed to fall down to this material world, to born in a demoniac species. So Lord Vishnu came and seeing this dangerous condition of his servants. It looks Lord was very compassionate for them. So seeing the Lord's loving relation with Jai and Vijay, even the four Kumaras, they want to return their curses. They told, okay, you can return back our curses. But Lord told, no, everything happened according to my own desire. Because like we have also sometimes desire to fight, to play. So these desires also with Lord. Otherwise how can we have these desires? So who can fight with the Lord? So sometimes, someone has to play the role of villain. Lord come as a hero. He come as and they Nrsingadev, then they are Hiranyakashipu, then he come as Lord Ramchandra, then who came? Ravana. Again he will come as Krishna, then he come Sisupal. So this is the Ravana's history. He is actually he is a eternal servant of Krishna. So the Lord first told them, anyhow you have committed offenses to the Brahmanas, to the Vaishnavas. So you have to born, you have to fall down to this material world for 7 lifetime, according to Padma Purana. But there is one option. If you will become my enemy, you act as my enemy, then you will come back very soon. Only 3 birth time. Or if you will born as a devotee, like act as favorably for me, then you will have to take 7 birth time. You decide. So they told, no, we cannot bear your separation for long time. They could understand his Lord's desire. He wants to do some pastimes. So he needs some perfect person to act as villain, to fight with him. So it is due to the Lord's desire. That's why they accepted. They all okay, we will act as enemy for 3 lifetime. So actually that's why Jiva Goswami told in his Sandarbhas, Bhagavad Sandarbha, that all the personalities in Bhagavatam, they are not conditioned souls. They are actually liberated souls, but they are just doing some drama. They are not demon, they are demon in a drama. They are not actually demons. If they are conditioned souls, by reading and hearing about these pastimes, chanting and hearing their pastimes, we cannot be liberated. Only by hearing the pastimes of the liberated souls, you can also get liberated. I told this, all this, even the Ajamils, all this, they are simply, this personality is mentioned in this Bhagavatam to purify us. They are not actually conditioned souls. So, otherwise their names are not in pages of Srimad Bhagavatam. So, that's why we know the Ravana, a 10 head of Ravana. It is in Puranas mentioned that why Ravana has 10 head. Actually, he is the knower of 6 branches of knowledge. Sankhya, Nyaya, Yoga, Vaisheshika Gyan, Karmakand, Vedanta, everything. He is a perfect person, knowledgeable person. He is son of Vishrava Rishi. He is a Brahmana. And 4 more, because he is also knower of the 4 Vedas. 4 Vedas and Vedanta, all these divisions of knowledge. Even we know Ravana was invited as the chief priest when Ramachandra was performing this sacrifice, this yajna, for constructing this Setubandha, this bridge over ocean. Who was come as the chief priest to perform the yajna? Ravana himself. Lord Ramachandra was inviting Brahma. Brahma told, no, there is qualified Brahman is planet. If there is no qualified Brahman, I could go, but one Brahman is there. Who is this? His? So I am doing this, I am making this bridge to kill him. Told, no, you invite him, as a Brahman he will come. Jajana, Jajana, Patana, Patana, Dana, Pratikriya. Pratikriya, there are 6 activities of a Brahmana. So when he got the message that he has to come, they invited him to perform the yajna, he came. He knows that this yajna is for kill him. But still Ravana came and performed the yajna. So Ravana is, if we read even in Ramayana, in last day when whole Lanka was finished, only he left, he is coming for war. When Mandodari was requesting his wife, please take shelter of Ramachandra, he is God himself, he is Narayana himself. And safe Lanka will be very safe. Then Ravana, he told his previous life too. You are describing previous life to Mandodari. I know I will be killed by Rama, but it will be very close. I have to die 3 times, but he explained his whole life to Mandodari. He knows everything, his previous life. Just like Vritrasura. Vritrasura is a great demon. But he knows everything. He was also telling Indra, yes, kill me. When you kill me, then I will return back to Godhead, to my worshipable Lord Sankarshan. Ravana is not also, he is eternal servant of Vishnu. He was a gatekeeper, and somehow here. And he knows that after 3 lifetimes I will return back to Godhead. So, actually we are all eternal servant of Krishna. Vrindavan Das Thakur is telling in Chaitanya Bhagavat, Kehu mane, kehu na mane, sabhi tara das. Whether someone is accepting the truth or someone is not accepting. But the fact is that every one of us is the eternal servant of Krishna. Jehu na mane, apana gune sehi jaye nas. If someone is not ready, he did not like this, or he did not accept that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead and himself as his servant, then he will get destroyed. There is another example here, prepared. He saw in this episode. So, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was doing his South Indian traveling, he came to a place, Madurai, the South Mathura, told, Madurai. We have temple also now, ISKCON temple there. So, there one Brahmana invited. When he took darshan, then he sing his chanting, then one Brahmana invited Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. His name was Ramadas Vipra. He invited him for prasadam. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, after taking his bath in Krutamala river, then he went for prasadam to that Brahmana. But the Brahmana did not cook anything. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, but he looks very morose, very sad. Mahaprabhu asked, "Oh Brahmana, oh gentleman, you invited me for prasad, but you did not cook anything. What is going on? It is already lunch time." So the Brahmana told, "Okay, we are living in a forest. So Lakshmana went to forest, he will bring some fruits and roots and some dry or something, he will collect everything, then come back. When Lakshmana come back, then Sita will start cooking. Then prasad you can get prasad." So Lord Chaitanya could understand this man is not in this world, his consciousness is somewhere, he is only in samadhi. He was thinking about Lord Rama and Krishna and Sita, he is in their eternal pastimes, meditating. Then after some time he come to his senses. Then he cooked prasad and he offered to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But he himself did not eat. 3 o'clock he served prasadam to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then he was fasting, he was crying. Mahaprabhu told, "What happened? Why are you not taking prasad?" He told, "I cannot eat. My mind is completely disturbed. Because this great demon who? Ravana. How it is possible? Ravana kidnapped Sita by touching the divine body of Sita. How Ravana, a demon, was touched Sita's body? How it is possible? Forcefully just dragging Sita to his chariot, and he took. How it is happened when I am thinking this? I cannot control myself." So he was crying, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu tried to pacify him. He told, actually, Ravana has no power to kidnap Sita. Sita is the goddess of fortune herself, internal concept of Lord Ramachandra or Vishnu. How it is possible? Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told him, there is Vedavati, there is 2 Sita. There is one personality named Vedavati. Padma Purana mentioned Vedavati was daughter of Kusadhwaja. A family of Kusadhwaja and Dharmadhwaja, they are 2 brothers. So Vedavati was born in that family, and from her childhood she was meditating Lord Vishnu. She was decided to accept only Vishnu as her husband. So she was meditating, doing very hard austerity. Doing austerity, went to Himalaya mountain. Then he was meditating on Lord Vishnu. But in the meantime, there was a voice come from sky telling that Vishnu will be your husband in the next life, not in this life. Just return back to your home. But Vedavati was very determined. She left that place by went to Gandhamardan Parvat. Then he started again sitting and meditating. She determined to get Vishnu as her husband in this lifetime. So if you will not accept what is the providence is deciding for you, you will be in trouble. So in the meantime, when she made a cottage and meditating and just eating some roots and some roots and fruits and some water and meditating on Lord Vishnu. Severe austerity. But instead of Lord Vishnu, Ravana came there. One day Ravana appeared there. Seeing Ravana, anyhow, he was Brahman, so the Vedavati invited, gave him some fruit, roots and some water. But Ravana being a wicked person, mind being always in lusty affair, so seeing that girl, beautiful girl, Ravana approached Vedavati to become his wife. Vedavati rejected. But Ravana forcefully just cut her hair. But Vedavati, just by her own hand, just beating on his hand, just cut the hair. only hair remain with in hand of Ravana. Then Vedapati told, you guy, I told you, I want to accept only Vishnu as my husband. And you polluted me by touching my hair. So I will not live in this body. Now, I will, in front of you, I will burn this body with my fires. Just, I will create fires from my austerity. Fire will come, Brahmagni, then I will burn myself. Ravana was looking immediately. Fires come from his Brahmarandra. From then fire emanate, then the girl just burnt in the fire. Then she told, but you rascal, you remember, in next life I will come again and become the cause of your death. So that's why that is Vedavati. That's why it's Maya Sita. When Lord Chaitanya explained to that Brahmana, Ramadas, Vipra, he told actually when Rama and Lakshmana in Dandakaranya, they went out of the cottage. So when Sita was alone, so when Ravana came, actually this Ravana could not kidnap the original Sita, cannot touch. So knowing the situation, Agnidev, he appeared. So Agnidev took the original Sita to his abode. Some Puranas mentioned that he took him and put Sita was protected with in Kailas with Parvati. But anyhow, Agnidev took the real Sita, then this Vedavati appeared, the Maya Sita, because she took a vow to become the cause of killing Ravana. That's why Vedavati appeared. That is the Maya Sita. This is not the original Sita. The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained to the Ramadas Vipra. Don't worry. Actually, Ravana cannot touch the real Sita. When Ravana was killed, and then there was a fire sacrifice, and they asked Sita to give proof that she is just woman. If she entered to the fire, and if fire will not burn her body, then it will prove that she is chaste lady. Her mind not deviated from lotus feet of Ramachandra. So that time, the real Sita, Agni, the fire god, he took the real Sita, offered to Ramachandra, and the Maya Sita just disappeared. Actually, that Maya Sita was Vedavati. That is the start for sometimes to become because her vow was to become the cause of death of Ravana. So in this way Chaitanya Mahaprabhu pacified the Ramadas Vipra. But still Ramadas Vipra was not convinced, he was still feeling, somehow that day Mahaprabhu just successful for convincing him. Then the Brahmana took his prasad. Mahaprabhu went to Rameswaram, and there he saw that the peoples, the Brahmanas, they are sitting together and reading Kurma Puran. And in Kurma Puran, this is written, that how this Vedavati performed the role of Maya Sita. So Lord Chaitanya asked the Brahmanas, please give me this page, because he want to give this to Ramadas Vipra. Even Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told himself, or he made a handwriting himself and give, he will not believe. He want the original page, original Sanskrit, written in Bhojapatra. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked these peoples, please give me this page. And I am writing first this page, and then keep this in with this original book and give me the original page to me. The Mahaprabhu was so compassionate. He brought this page and he come back to this to this Ramadas Vipra in Madurai, and he handed over this page to him. Look, this is the proof in Puranas. Then he was pacified. So that's why we see this whole role was performed by Maya Sita, Vedavati. But still Vedavati is also not ordinary. She is also a chaste lady. She is vowed to make Vishnu as her husband. So anyhow, the wicked persons Shastra is telling that Niti Shastra told that Sarpa krura khala krura Sarpat krura tara khala mantra ausadhi vaset sarpa khala kena nivartayat. They are very weak. Everyone knows this. A snake, without any reason, simply always become ready to bite you. Similarly, a wicked person also, without any cause, he wants to disturb others, like Ravana. But is compared to a person, a snake and a wicked person, who is more dangerous? Mantra ausadhi vaset sarpa. You can pacify a snake, you can control, bring to your control. Snake by some chanting some mantras, some medicines, some tantric medicines or something. You can, people, they can put snake and they are under their control. But a wicked person, there is no way to control him. There is an example here, perfect example like Ravana. No one can control Ravana. His mind was contaminated. There are so many, even saintly persons like Bibhishan, try his best to pacify him. So many people, but no one can change his decision. Or some wicked person make a decision, and it is very difficult to change him. So finally we see how Ravana, being so much lusty desires for Sita Devi, finally he was killed by Lord Ramachandra. In the previous next verse, the detailed Prabhupada is writing about this. One person, who is our enemy? Who directed us to go to hell? Gita, Krishna is telling three things. Kama, Krodha, Tatha, Lobha. Trividha naraka swedam dwara nasanatmana. We have to close the three gates. Lust, anger and greed. The three things that taking us to the hell. Because if you cannot control these things by the advice of the saintly persons, then you have to suffer. He told that Mahat pada ahur dwara vimukte. If you will associate with the Mahat, these saintly persons, and accept their advice and act according to the Mahajans, then you will proceed to the spiritual world. On the other hand, if you will not listen to them, you act whimsically according to your lust, anger and greed, then you have to go to hell. Tama dwara josita sangi sangam. This is the Tama dwara, this is the gate to hell. If you will associate with Josita sangi sangam, with the lusty peoples, lusty desire, to fulfill your lusty desire, you will be hunkering after that way, then you will go to hell. That's why this is a perfect example. Jive Krishna te bhuliya jiv bhogavancha kare nikatastha maya tare jhapuriya dhare. Because Ravana, though he was Jai Vijay, he was an eternal servant of Krishna, because he forgot Krishna, then he was now just try to enjoy this material world. So finally he was destroyed. That's why we should not follow the path of Ravana. Should not follow. Ravana is because his name is Ravana. Why his name is Ravana? Because he created the crying of so many other people. Actually, why his name was Ravana? He got the boon. He was the greatest devotee of Lord Shiva. In even Ravana's prayer to Lord Shiva, even nowadays, those who want to please Shiva, they are also reciting these prayers. But Ravana, even after became very strong. So one time he want to even just to uproot the Kailas hill, where Lord Shiva was sitting with Parvati. Suddenly Ravana just put his hand just in a root of the hill, then try to uproot, throw it with his power. So the Kailash hill was just shaking. Parvati is asking to Shiva, what has happened? I am the Sushti Sthiti Pralaya Sadhana. I am she is the owner of this material world. And who is doing this nonsense? Who is this? So Lord Shiva, the other these messengers of Lord Shiva told, this is Ravana. He is putting his hand in front. He want to just uplift the whole mountain and throw it. So Lord Shiva just with his thumb press it little. So his whole hand was inside. he has inside, he couldn't, and just pressed, and then he just started crying. No one could help him. She made so, he was roaring like anything. The sound was just spread all over the three walls. Because of roaring so loudly, seeing his painful situation, everyone also crying, his family members, all the demons, everyone was crying. So from that day, his name also become Ravana. Because he himself, he caused trouble for so many peoples by his own activity. That's why we must remember our position. We are all also those who have lusty desires, so much lust, anger, greed, all this. Then we are also followers of Ravana. We should also, if we have these desires, we cannot control them. But if we will associate with Vibhishan, Vibhishan is a great saintly person. Those with Vibhishan, they come to some demons, come to following Vibhishan, they come to Ramchandra's side also. Ramchandra is very compassionate. Even anyone come to his shelter, he gave shelter. Ramachandra's devotees are also very staunch. You cannot change them. You tell them, preach Krishna, tell, Krishna's pastime is very nice. Krishna is so good. We can make friendship with Krishna. We can be conjugal love. We can pastimes with Krishna. We can say, but Ramachandra's devotees very staunch. They cannot give up the lotus feet of Lord Rama. There is no example that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu converted in Rama Bhakta to Krishna Bhakta. No. Not even whom? The younger brother of Rupa and Sanatan. Anupam was, even Sanatan and Rupa, they try to preach him. We are both brothers, we are Krishna, we are already discussing Bhagavatam, all these things. So you become our, follow us. So we can, three brothers can together read Bhagavatam and enjoy Krishna's pastimes, discuss these things. He told yes, but next day come, it is not possible. I gave my this head in the feet of Lord. I already, it is sold to the feet of Lord Raghunath. I cannot bring it back. Similarly, we see Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's associate, who? Murari Gupta. Murari Gupta was a great Rama Bhakta. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu one time called him, why Murari? Murari Gupta come one day and he pay obeisances. First to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then he pays Nityananda. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Murari, you did something wrong. Why? Could not go. You go and you could see everything you understand everything in night. So when Murari Gupta was sleeping, he saw Balarama was walking in front and behind Krishna is walking. Dauji and the Kanhaiya. Then they transferred into Gaur and Nitai. Nitai and Gaur. So he saw that the Balarama is Nitai and Krishna is Gaur. So that day he came. Next day came, then he first paid obeisances to Nityananda, then come pay to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu smiled. What happened, Murari? Why today is opposite? Told, oh Lord, you show us what is the truth. I understand. He is the elder brother. Who? You are Balaram, Nityananda. So Mahaprabhu told, why not performing the Krishna Bhakti? Why doing this Ram Bhakti? Give up this Ram Bhakti. See, Krishna is so sweet, so nice. Krishna is so nice pastimes. Ramchandra, you cannot do any Sakhya Prem with Rama. There is only Sambhrama Sakhya, very limited Sakhya, like who? Like some Sakhya Bhakti, like Sugriva, Vibhishana. Sometimes they may be embraced to Ramchandra, but they are very fearful. Our feet may not be touched with the Lord's body. So they are not pure Sakhya. The Krishna's devotees, Krishna Sakhya, Sakhya Bhave Sakha Kare Skandhe Arohana. They climb on the shoulder of Krishna. Tumi kon bada loko, tumi ami sama. Who cares you? You are thinking I am son of king, Nanda Maharaj. You and us, we are equal platform. They don't care. So you come, we will enjoy with Krishna pastimes. Krishna is so sweet. In Vatsalya Rasa also, Maha Jasoda's relation with Krishna, so sweet. Mata mare ati tuchha gyane kare ladana palana. Tuchha gyan. Jasoda is thinking my son. Not consider him as a supreme personality of Godhead. She will sometimes chastise him. Just with Damodar pastimes we saw. Jasoda bound him. And even in conjugal love, Ramchandra is only one wife. He cannot make relation with others. But Krishna is so nice. He dances with thousands, millions of gopis. He may have 16,100 wives. We can also share the pastimes, conjugal pastimes with Krishna. So become a Krishna Bhakta. It is better to become a Krishna Bhakta than Rama Bhakta. You are preaching like the Murari told, okay, I will try. And then he went. Then whole night he was sitting in front of Lord Ramchandra, crying. I cannot. Next day he came. Then he told Mahaprabhu, I am going to commit suicide in Ganges. Mahaprabhu, why? I just jumped to Ganges. Why? What happened? Because I am unable to follow your instruction to become a Krishna Bhakta. Same times, I cannot give up my head from the lotus feet of Lord Ramchandra. I have already sold this body at feet of Ramchandra. We see many examples. The devotee of Lord Ramchandra also very staunch. They cannot give up lotus feet of Lord Ramchandra. They like that. Once they love Rama, they cannot give up. Ramchandra is Marjada Purushottam. He is also very strict in his principles. But still, there are no example that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu converted in a Rama Bhakta to Krishna Bhakta. He is that's why in ISKCON temple there is also Sitaram Lakshmana temple, the altars. Those devotees, they are attracted to Rama Sita. They always, whole life they will remain like this. They will go to Saket Dham. Saket, you will see this map of the spiritual world. Saket also in Goloka. In Golok Dham there is also Saket, little below. So, this is Maryada Purushottam. He is many people, they like also Ram Bhakti. In India, you will see all the North India, Ajodhya side, now Ajodhya is a huge temple. Now they are coming up very soon. So there is, we see the UP, if you count, you will find more Ram Bhaktas than Krishna Bhaktas. Gaudiya Parampara is only in Bengal, Odisha, some part of, even Bihar, UP, many people, they like Rama. Ramchandra is so sober, peaceful. He is not cunning, he was very... So, many people also like Rama, Rama Bhakti. If you see, many people in UP, MP, Bihar, many people say that part. So, in this way we see, though we are performing in Gaudiya Parampara, we know the Krishna, to perform devotional service unto Krishna is the supreme things, then better than Ramchandra, Rama Bhakti. But still there is also some Krishna, some Rama Bhaktas. they always eternally connected. Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadhya Kabunay Shravanadi Suddha Chite Karaye Uday. If you are eternally a Ram Bhakta, you will also go to Ramalok. You cannot change him. You will go to Ramalok. It's not as everyone should go to Goloka. So what will happen to other Vaikuntha planets? There are also no birth, death, world and disease. There's also. It is only a matter of rasa. There's mellows, different mellows according to devotees. His conviction to enjoy particular mellow, then he has to go particular dham. Some people they like Nrsingadev. They like Nrsingadev. They have to go to Nrsingalok. There is Bhamana Lok. There is many people they like different forms of the Supreme Lord. So anyhow, as a Gaudiya Vaishnavas, we like our worshipable Lord is Krishna. But still, there are also some devotees, even in ISKCON, they like Lord Rama, Ramachandra. So, here is the lesson we are learning from this verse, that we should not follow Ravana. If you will follow Ravana, the end you have to be killed. Anyhow, but we cannot become a demon like Ravana. Anyone can become a demon like Ravana? If you will become, you are fortunate. Because you will be killed only by the Supreme Lord. No one can kill you. If Supreme Lord kills someone, then he will also attain destination, but that is not recommended. Anukulyena Krishna Anusilanam Bhaktiruttama. The pure devotional service must be in favorable way, not in unfavorable way. But some other, this Jai Vijay, they become Ravana and Kumbhakarna, then they become the next Shishupala Dantavakra. Actually their course is finished, 3 lifetime. But still they heard. Now the coming Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda, the Supreme Lord, same Krishna Balaram coming at. So they voluntarily accepted this another birth as Jagai and Madhai. Because they can achieve Mukhya. Krishna just sending them back to Goloka Vrindavan because they killed by Krishna's hand. But I told, we are getting this Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nityananda come, then they will distribute Krishna Prem. Parama Karuna Pahu Dui Jana Nitai Gaura Chandra Sabavatar Sarasiromani Kebala Ananda Kanda. Bhaja Bhaja Bhai Chaitanya Nitai Sudruda Vishwasa Kari Visaya Chariya Serase Majia Mukhe Bolo Hari Hari. In this incarnation, they did not kill anyone. Even they offered Krishna Prem to Ravana and Kumbhakarna, those who appeared as Jagai and Madhai. So in this particular incarnation, even Mahaprabhu has become very angry. He want to kill whom? Madhai. Called the Sudarshan, but Nityananda Prabhu catch hold of his feet. Told, no, not in this incarnation. So that's why in this Kali Yuga actually the worshipable Lord is Gaur Nitai. We should worship Gaur Nitai. They are very merciful. They don't accept offenses. Even we are chanting Hare Krishna mantra, we are also chanting Sri Krishna, Chaitanya, Prabhu Nityananda, Sri Advaita Gadadhar Sivasadi, Gaur Bhakta, to become free from offenses. So even Gaur Nitai deity, someone can see them as Krishna Balaram, someone can see them as them Ram Lakshman. Whomever he may be worshipping, they can see everything in Gaur Nitai. Even Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Radha Krishna, Nahanya. So Prabhupada is so mercifully, he established Gaur Nitai in most of our Krishna and ISKCON temples. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So any question or comment? I stop here. Yes.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is merciful and he is asking everyone to go to Krishna. So sometimes you get the example of chanting Ramchandra, so you like Ramchandra, somebody like Narasimha Bhagavan, somebody in different way. But ultimately in Bhagavad Gita, Lord in 1865 he said Manmana Bhava Bhagavato. There he is mentioning all the names of the
Yes, I understand what he is asking. Because Prabhupada is writing that you must fix your mind in that bluish boy having peacock feather in his head, having flute in his hand. That is Prabhupada wrote in purport. But still, if you tell this to Anupam or to Murari Gupta, they will not accept. Understand? This is Nitya Siddha. They are eternally Ramachandra service. They will not accept. Those who are Krishna Bhakta, they accept this.
Now in Kali-yuga, what we should do? In Kali-yuga, what we should do?
Chant Hare Krishna, be happy.
And go to? And go to?
Jo jathamang prapadyante tam tathaiva bhajamyaham. To whom you like, you go there. Okay? They depend upon your own thinking process. To whom you like, you go there. Those who like Ramchandra, you will go to Ramchandra. Those who like...
So is the same when you go to Ramchandra, Krishna is the same?
That is up to Dasya Ras. If you are a devotee in Dasya Ras, then you go to Vaikuntha Loka and Ramchandra Abode. If you want to go enter in Sakhya, Vatsalya Madhurya, then you have to go to Golok. Okay?
So what should be our aim?
I don't know. Everyone has different aim. Not so everyone has one aim. Your aim is not the same as mine. Different aim.
But we are following Acharya.
No, following Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem. The Nitya Siddha is already within you, nothing from outside. When you chant purely, that will awaken. Who are you? Who are you? You come to know. Then you will act accordingly. You are simply sleeping. That's why Mahaprabhu told, Jeev Jago. Jeev Jago, Gaura Chandra Bole. You simply sleeping and dreaming. When you wake up, you could understand, who am I? What is my eternal position? What is my eternal service? Everything will known to you. When you chant purely, everything will reveal to you. Understand? We are simply, this is not everything, just know that, I am eternal servant of Krishna. This is just the outward statement, but you know this very detail. In which rasa you are, what is your position, what is your seva, everything will reveal to you. When you perform bhajan purely. That is the difference between the Bhajananandis in Radha Kund. The people they told, okay, you will accept Guru, Guru will tell your Swarup, who are you, which manjari, which seva. This is only speculation. Because he did not know himself, his own. So it is better, there are two ways to know your Swarup. By some Uttama Vaishnava, Uttama Adhikari Vaishnava can see you and reveal your Swarup. Or by your own bhajan, Krishna will reveal you. Mata smatir jnanam apahanam cha. Sarvasya chaham hrudi sannivisto mata smatir jnanam apahanam cha. Your duty, he will do pure bhajan, everything revealed to you. By Krishna, he will, Paramatma will reveal to you everything. Okay?
But give me example of Ravana taking Sita, but he did not take the... Ravana taking the Sita, but he did not take the goddess of opportunity to imitation Sita.
I am not telling this, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told him.
So, he took the Sita, Lord Ramchandra is Lord. He could not understand that he is taking the false Sita.
He knows everything, but still he is doing a drama. That's why I told everything is drama. In material world, Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Daya Kari Swaparsada Siyodhama Saha Avatari Atyanta Durlabha Prema Kari Bare Dana Sikhaye Saranagati Bhakatera Prana. Every incarnations, they come for some purpose. There is one purpose also to deliver, how to deliver conditioned souls. Jive Daya Kari. They are doing some dramas just to attract us. You come and become a part of this drama, then you can also be there. Okay. So, okay. Any other question? Comment? Yes. question. Come here.
Thank you, Maharaj. Just you said that some Uttama Adhikaris very little Swarupa. The same purpose like the same.
There is no Uttama Adhikari, that's why simply Sahajiyas, that's why Bhaktivedanta Saraswati Thakur chastised them. Bhaktivedanta Saraswati Thakur, he gave respect to real Babajis, those are Uttama Adhikari like Gaurkishor Das Babaji Maharaj, Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj. Even Gaurkishor Das Babaji, everyone knows that he was a Nitya Siddha Parikar of Gauranga, but still Gaurkishor Das Babaji not revealed his Swarup. He simply laughed, but still everyone knows. He told these Babajis, all these Babajis, they are just like a lady did not have any child in his womb, but putting some clothes and like this, putting like this, and just admitted in a maternal house, and asked the doctor, please take my child out, very quick. So like this. These peoples, they are not even above anartha nibruti. Your Swarup will reveal to you when you come to the prema. So they are not even cross this stage of anartha nibruti. They want to know their Swarup. Imagine, one cheater is cheated by another cheater. He himself did not know what is his Swarup. But then he told you, oh, you are this. But you believe, oh, I am this. This is all nonsense. Bhaktivedanta Saraswati Thakur also knows. He told us he has Nayana Manjari, and Bhaktivedanta Thakur told also, but still they rebuke this Sahajiyas. They simply Sahajiyas. There is when someone come to the platform of prema, bhava prema, then the Swarup he can know something. Who is he? Automatically, Nitya Siddha, Krishna prema, slowly appeared. But if someone is not even crossed the stage of anartha nivruti, and he want to know his Swarup, this is rejected by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, by Prabhupada and his Guru Maharaj. Dushtaman tumi Kishara Vaishnava. So they chastise them. So, okay. Any other question? Yeah.
Maharaj, just as you mentioned, Jain Vijay is a Parshad of Vaikuntha. So after when Lord Chaitanya came this planet, so they voluntarily takes up their Jalai and Madhai. So if anyone want to chant their eternal friends with Krishna, so he can chant.
Yes, it depends upon your desire, and Krishna will sanction. Krishna is also very independent. He is also Surat. He is to sanction some are not, or not may not be sanction others. It depends upon Krishna also. You can desire so many things, but Krishna is the final authority to sanction it. Okay? Hare Krishna. Granthra Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.